of high-tech crime-fighting tools may help catch the gunman in a shooting this morning in central Fresno. Action News reporter Joey Barra is live at police headquarters tonight with the exclusive video of the crime and how officers responded within seconds. Joe?
Well, Warren, in certain parts of town, there's technology that alerts police when shots are fired. In this case, it helped officers locate a victim, and that video could help detectives find a shooter. Intense moments caught on camera outside an apartment complex in central Fresno. A man shoots at 3 people as they try to run away. One gets hit in the leg. The shooter fires one last round and takes off. A second angle shows this woman struggling to open a door to find cover. We talked with her, but she didn't want to show her face on TV.
I was sitting here in the dark and just smoking a cigarette, and all of a sudden I heard some people screaming and bang, 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 like 5 or 6 times.
Moments before the shooting, police say there was some kind of confrontation down the street between the suspect and the shirtless victim in the video. Lieutenant Joe Gomez says words were exchanged. The suspect identified himself as an Asian Crip and pulled out a gun.
He went after me, chased him, took a shooting stance multiple times, shot at him. Very, very fortunate. They were some distance away, and then they ran additionally. If they were closer, it could have been much worse.
Another angle of the surveillance video shows the victim limping away in an alley. Officers were able to find him pretty quickly, thanks to new technology in the streets. The Shot Spotter system. It helps police zero in on gunshots.
All the patrol cars out here were notified. They got the notification on their computer, and that was within seconds.
Back at the apartment complex, there's damage from stray bullets. 1 hit the bottom corner of a home, and 2 hit a car. Fortunately, though, no one else was injured. And detectives have been going through this video trying to figure out who this shooter is. If you recognize him or know anything about this case, you should call police. Live in downtown Fresno, Joey Barra, ABC 30 Action News.